Welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Magician, that popped up a few weeks back, the Queen of Wands, and we have the Two of Pentacles. And I've got something else that I'll share with you in a moment. So first of all, the Magician. Do you remember a few weeks back we were talking about how this shows up when you're just about to take that leap, make that move, say yes, go for it. Now, some of you might be right in amongst that. You might be doing that. If you're not, they're saying now is the time, because the other thing that dropped in as I was picking these cards was this: you're on time. There's with the angel answer card, there's another one that says perfect timing, but this one was like, you are absolutely bang on time. That's what they were giving me. So for those of you that have been in the background and doing all your thing and getting ready and preparing and just about to launch or just about to share with the world what you're all about, you absolutely got it. So this week, this is the week. Okay. This is definitely the week, or like over the coming days and couple of weeks. It just feels like this is the period that you're in. Now, just to remind you, the Magician can come along when you are holding yourself back. So if any of you, even though what we said a few weeks back, are any of you still holding yourself back? Are you stopping yourself? Are you self-sabotaging? Are you getting in your own way? Because if so, it's just something that you might need to look at, just something to be aware of. The Magician says you have everything inside of you to make this happen, to make it successful, to do it, you've got this. That's what they've just given you. You have got this. All right, you've got this. Do not doubt yourself. Do not stress. Do not worry. You've got this. Now, with the Magician picture in this particular card, I don't know if you can see it all, but they're actually holding everything. So a wand, they've got a sword, they've got the cup, they've just got everything there for them. So it just means that you have everything. You have everything you need and you will be successful. It's don't hesitate, don't doubt, don't worry, go for it, because you are bang on time with this. You're bang on time. Fine. Now, the Queen of Wands, this could be you or it could be someone else in your life, new person or someone that you already know. The Queen of Wands is dynamic. They're electric, they can be fiery, they can be passionate, they can be motivating, they can be exciting, very entrepreneurial. So I get a real entrepreneurial thing, which doesn't surprise me with this, because with this energy, it usually means that you are moving towards something where you are more independent, you're more in your power, you're doing things more in line with who you really are, your heart and soul. So, and this is this energy, very independent. She knows what she's about. She knows who she is. She knows what she wants. And she's not afraid to jump and go for it and make that move and put herself out there. Stand above the crowd. She's not afraid to do that. So she's very brave, very courageous. So for some of you, this is your energy. This is what you need this week. This is what you're stepping into this week. Or it could be someone that you know already, or someone new coming into your life that's just like this Queen of Wands. They might actually be giving you, helping you, advising you, coaching you, offering you something, giving you an invitation, offering you an invitation, proposal. That's going to be very exciting, very uplifting, that allows you to stand more in your power. Exciting. It does feel like lots going on though, because we've got the Two of Pentacles. So this is a card of you juggling lots happening, and you're like, oh my gosh, You've got a whole long list of things to achieve, lots of tasks to tick off your to-do list, and you just don't know how to balance it, how to manage it. You've got a lot on your plate. So just watch that, be careful, step back, take time, just like take a big overview of the picture, take a universal look of what's going on to see if there's anything you can delegate or let go of. But it doesn't feel like it's a bad busy, if you know what I mean. It feels like it's an exciting busy. It feels like, this is part of your process of you doing your thing, stepping in your power, going for it, it's bang on time. But it's just all of a sudden, for some of you, it might be culminating this week, or you might get the go ahead or the green light. And then all of a sudden, like, oh my gosh, it's all systems go, and you've got loads on your plate. So just take care of yourself, I would say there. But, I need to leave you with these, because this jump, this leap, this new start, this new beginning is bang on time. That's what they're telling me. I hope it's a really good week, and thank you so much for watching.